Alright, I got a 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander, and it's telling me routine maintenance required. Okay, if you want to reset that, what you're going to do is you're going to turn the car off. Alright, and then you're going to come over here to this button over here. And you're going to push this button until you get, if you push it, you'll get to the maintenance right here. Okay, so when it's showing you these dashes, that means the maintenance is up, that there's no more miles and there's no more months left. That's how this thing works. It kind of counts down. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna press and hold down the button. Okay, and the wrench will flash, and then I'm gonna hit the button one more time. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit the button one more time. Well, I'm not gonna hit it anymore. Don't hit it again. Okay, so it gave me another 7,100 miles and 15 months. Okay, so it will count down the miles and it will count down the months. Okay, and that's pretty much it. If I hit it again, it'll actually give me give me more miles and give me more months. I don't want to do any more than that, but that's how you reset the maintenance reminder on a 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander.